Hi, and welcome to Technology Wizard. Today we will be doing a review of the HMV Nipper 12 television. But before I continue on with the video, I would like to apologise for the extended absence from this channel. I am currently back up and running and will be delivering a new video every week. Thanks for the understanding, and now back to the video. Now, not much can be found on this particular TV, but from what little information I could gather, the TV was made between 1974 and 1978 in Japan for the Australian market and sold by the EMI Australia company. It is a black and white TV as Australia did not go full colour till 1975, but the change was not made to this line and stayed black and white for the remainder of the shelf life. Not really selling well in its time due to mass competition and the introduction of colour TV in the middle of the 70s. Made from plastic, and it came in two colours, ivory and orange, with a competing price of 159 Australian dollars. Here is a quick overview of the TV. I also have plans in the future to slightly mod this TV with an RF input so I can eventually set up an Atari VCS, but the parts are on their way, so keep an eye out for that video. That's the end of the video for now, and hopefully you've learnt a little bit about this TV set that otherwise would have been lost. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.